Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to try on this braided wig. I hope you introduce this channel to you before, but this one doesn't have a closure and the other one has a closure. So this is how it looks. As you can see, I've just done the braids from the top, but the other one is really plain closure. So most of you have been asking me the difference between the wig that has a closure and the one that doesn't have a closure. So for this one, I've already applied some foundation on the net to make it blend well with my complexion, and this one as well. But what I always do is just to spray some water, spray some water on the lace like that. I'm using my setup spray, but you can just use water because sometimes I always use water. And then you're going to use your foundation or your powder just to make it blend well with your complexion. I'm going to choose this as this color, this one right there, and then just go ahead and apply it there. So if you really don't want to do all this, just if you don't want to apply foundation on your wigs, go for the wigs that don't have a lace or they don't have a closure. If you don't have time to apply that, use your powder, use your foundation, your concealer, apply it on the lace, and then it will blend well with your complexion. But again, if you don't want all these, just go for a wig that doesn't have a closure, because I also have so many of them that don't have closures. And then I always sew a band, but now when I feel like it's secure, I always just wear it like that or send it to my client without the bands if I feel like it's going to be just secure. But most of the times I always sew bands just to make it more secure. Okay, if you get it and it doesn't have a band, just pull this strap and insert it in this loop, and this other one insert it there to make it more secure. So let me just try it on so that you guys can see the difference. And so this is how it looks, guys, without the baby hair. The only difference is that the other one, it might look like, you know, you've braided your hair, and for this one, this is how it looks, but there's no difference. And then also, if you want the baby hair, go for the one that has a closure. So this is how it looks, guys. So for the baby hair, I'm going to apply this eco gel. You can apply any gel that you want, and then also if you really don't want the baby hair, you can as well just cut them. And yeah, because I know also some clients tell me it's, they don't like wigs that have baby hair because they just can't manage it. So if you really don't want the baby hair, you can cut it as well. You can just cut the lace with the baby hair. Yeah. It sets me free. So as you can see, this is how it looks, and honestly I really loved how natural it looked. And then I'm just going to put this band on it to make the baby hair lie on my forehead and also to make it look more natural. So guys, just comment down below if you love this style already. And then the color is 133. 133 is like almost like 4. It's not too dark and then it's not too brown. Yeah, it's a mixture of brown and black. So guys, what do you think about the parting area? Just comment down below if you love it, if you love this style like this, if you love the color as well, like that. As you can see, this is how it looks. So no one can actually tell that it's a wig. This is how it looks at the back. On the sides. So the person who ordered this, she wanted two of them, and this is how it looks, guys. So just comment down below if you love the one that doesn't have baby hair or the one that has baby hair.
Hasta que me convierta en rayos y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad y más solo un trueno de horizontes, seremos miles, crecemos en número, en solo